pesa za harambee unamchekelea bila ya hospitali. You don't know. Unasikia mtu amefungwa jela, unasema okay sawa. Wewe hujui. You could even commit a crime unintentionally. You go and knock somebody with a vehicle. You are prosecuted for being negligent, causing death through accident driving. A magistrate decide to jail you for 6 months. Unaweza kwenda uchukue deni ya mtu ukoswe kulipa, ukuwe committed to civil jail for 6 months, uende pale. Na watu wengi sana ni potential candidates ya hiyo ya civil jail. Ya kuchukua madeni nini. Yeah? Hata huyu senator huyu Chiragai tungekuwa na yeye pia. Huyu alikuwa mtu ya kushikwa kila Friday. Yeah? You know, so let us ourselves, all of us, be fair people. There was a minister called Stanley Aloitip. He was the Minister for Home Affairs during the Kenyatta era. It's good I tell you that story. He never did anything for the prisons. He was told there are no mattresses. He asked why prisoners want mattresses. He was told there are no blankets. He said they should sleep on the floor. He was told food and ration is not sufficient. He said if they wanted to eat food, they should not have committed the crimes. They should have stayed at home. As fate would have it, he committed a crime, but not a serious one because of politics. He was jailed for 1 year. He was a huge fellow, extremely huge. So when he arrived at committee, there was no uniform that could fit him. So they had to get about 6 uniforms and stitch them in the prison industry for him. Then he was taken to the cell. Then he asked, where is the mattress? Abiwa hakuna, na blanketi hakuna. Hapa sasa mtu atalala namna gani? The prisoner warder told him, you yourself, you said in parliament, that there is no need for mattress or blanket in prison. Sasa wacha saa ya chakula ifike. Sinide nawekwa kama nikutupwa. Akauliza sasa hii mimi inaweza shiba. He was a huge fellow. Akaambiwa, you said there is no need to have sufficient food in prison. What am I saying? You are in a position of responsibility to make life better for mankind. Please do so. You never know. So I want to encourage you and assure you that your things are in good space. Be patient. We'll start the implementation of the recommendations effective from July next year. Mutapata nyongeza, lakini pia haina mkiongezwa mchunge pesa yenu, uitumie vizuri. Let us not use money like you will be working throughout. You must know that one day you retire. Enda pale kwa society, save pesa yako, start a small project so that you also prepare for retirement, because you will be there forever. That is my advice to our officers, that be prudent in how you do your things, make savings. You need those savings as you go along.